I have the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to change or disable the lock screen shortcut. Now you can actually edit the lock screen shortcut on the left hand side. Now on the right, you can't really do that, but for the left one, you can edit or even disable it if you don't want it. So currently by default, it's set to Gemini, which is Google's AI. So to change or remove it, go to settings. Under settings, scroll and tap on home screen and lock screen, and then scroll down to the lock screen area and you should see lock screen shortcuts. If you tap on that, you'll notice you can only edit the left lock screen shortcut. So currently it's set to digital assistant from Google, which is Gemini. You can change it to something else. For instance, you can put the touch there. You can put a QR code there, a QR code scanner, or if you don't want to have anything, there, you can just choose none, and that's going to disable the left lock screen shortcut. Simple as that. Now I'll leave it at touch and then go back. And now when I go to the lock screen, I should have my flashlight there, right? Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.